Working with default overrides in myPreApprovalNotice.com. Before we talk about the actual overrides, I want to talk about the defaults a second. So the purpose of the defaults is so that you can quickly and easily change information across all borrowers when situations change. For example, let's just say that rates increase by anywhere from a quarter to 3/8 on any given loan file. You could then quickly change all of your rates across all loan types with just a very short amount of time. And now all I have to do is hit update profile, and I've just updated the rates for all of my clients across all of my loans, regardless of what loan type they have, unless they didn't fit the normal mode. So the purpose of this is to save you time. You can do all this with the mortgage insurance, with rates, with insurance, all of that. But sometimes you're going to have borrowers who don't fit the norm, right? Maybe they want to use premium pricing, or they are buying a house where the normal insurance rate is just not going to work. You can adjust that information on a per buyer basis right here where it says override default rates. If you click on this now, you can overwrite the default interest rate instead of using, I don't even remember what I just changed it to, but instead of using the default rate, I can make this 6%, for example. Or I could override the default insurance. Maybe I want to make it $2,400 because it's a duplex instead of a single family, and I think that that's a more realistic yearly insurance rate. If my monthly MI, because of credit scores, either higher or lower, I can change that here. Let's say it's for this loan type. Obviously this is an FHA, so bear with me because I know this isn't accurate, but let's just say it's 0.25 in this case. Or the upfront MI, because they're doing a buyout option and they have excellent credit, maybe you can go with a company that rewards excellent credit, and maybe you get a lower upfront MI, depending, of course, that would be on a conventional loan. But any or all of these can be changed at any time. So you could override one or all of these for any individual buyer. Now when you go back to the default rates in your profile here, changing these will not change the overrides. You'll have to go into each individual client where you've done an override and change those if needed. But this sure is going to save you a lot of time.